Alright, what's up guys? We're back. Second day coming back to you with this Holley Sniper EFI fuel pump installation on my 94 Camaro. So everything looks like it's all nice and together. Looks like the glue came out well. Used seal all. I like it. It came out well. The fuel pump is in there nicely. So I just gotta do a couple things like I just have to splice these wires into here. If anyone's doing this on a 94 Camaro and they don't know, the gray wire is the positive, the black wires are neutral, and then the purple is for your floater. But I have to, they only gave me fuel line that's this big and it's about 1.5 inches short. So I have to go see my brother at AutoZone. Have to go get some longer hose, and then once I get the longer hose and I get these spliced in, we'll get back to the car in my house and we'll get it together and we'll throw it in and we'll start the car and we'll see how it runs. But for now I have to run to the store and then I'll come back here, get that together, and then I'll bring the pump to the car, which is at my house. I would have had it here, but when the fuel pump goes, it just goes. So it's at the house. I can't move it. It is what it is. I couldn't do it here. I would have loved to do it here, but luckily the Jeep is coming through when the car's down. The Jeep wasn't running so well a couple months ago, but started up and she pulls through when I needed to. That's why I have her, and that's why I haven't gotten rid of her yet. So I'll come back with you guys when I get back and I get the connections on, and I'll show you guys how all that looks. But for now, we're out. Yo guys, we're back. So just made it back from the parts store. Got my new fuel line right there. I don't know if you guys saw that. My filming was subpar. Got my new fuel line right there. So I don't know if any of you have ever had a problem with finding something to cut fuel line good with. So, you know, you just take it, you get your mark. I already pre-did my mark because it would be kind of hard doing it with a camera in my hand. So you pretty much, you know, line it up how it's going to be. You figure out how long you need your hose, and then what I like to use is PVC pipe cutters. So then I'll take the hose and I'll find my mark, and you just put them in there like this. And you just bang. I think it cuts it pretty well. I think it makes a really nice cut. I mean, I don't know what you guys prefer to use, but that's how I like to do it. But I'm gonna get this fuel line on. It's gonna be real easy, obviously. Things, hose clamps, and then I'm going to splice up these wires real quick, and then we will head back to the house and throw it in the car and see how she runs, if she starts up. Hopefully she don't blow up. Hopefully my wires are good and don't short and things. Yeah, fun. So I'll get back to you. All right everybody, so hopefully the fuel pump is done and ready to go. So we'll get it back. Always have problems. So we'll get the fuel pump back. We'll go to the house. We'll get to the car. And we'll we'll throw it in and we'll try fire it up and we'll see how this fuel pump runs. See if this fuel pump runs. Hopefully I did good. Maybe not, I don't know. But we'll find out and I'll see you in a little bit. So, all right everyone, so got home, put the fuel pump in. Fuel pump's working good. So we'll go take it for a test drive in a little bit. But let me show you guys the back. So, as you can see, I just laid this down. But there's she's all back up in there. Holley fuel pump seems to be working pretty good. It's a lot quieter than the fuel pump I had in there was. No leaks or anything, so it looks like we're all good. Car didn't blow up, so it's always a good day in my book when the car don't blow up. So me and my brother, me and Justin, take it for a ride in a little bit, and we'll see how it does. See if there's any differences. See how weak that fuel pump was, and I'll bring you guys in when we're gonna do some test drives. All right, we're out. Damn, I wish I would have started filming for that. Wow. Oh, this thing's fast. What? This thing's fast. I can feel it. What do you mean? Like, you know how toast is super fast and idle? I can feel it. It feels like it did when I bought it. Bro, get some new shocks on this fucking dude. Oh. That fuel pump's probably been bad for a while now. This one feels good.
Like, how many times did you say that? Like, looking at me like, your Nismo? Slow.
Oh, compared to that Supra, that's like the fastest Supra out right now. Legit. Fastest Mark 5.
For real.
That light down there turned red.
Tell people at Petco that they'd be like,
Yeah, luck of the draw.
you're going backwards, bro.
Cone. Remember? The cone. I just want to get a good red bed. Just a little one. I'm gonna get one. I just smoked out that whole road. She's definitely running a little different.
Pop Central.
She's getting, she's jumping. She's definitely doing better. I like it. I like it a lot. Fuel pump, good choice. Cheap fuel pump, $100. Goes in, no directions, figure it out yourself.
I'm gonna put this fuel pump in my car, bro.
They make one for your car. They make 4 different models of that fuel pump, so it like does fit in a lot of different vehicles, even affordable. But I mean, this person that they hung at me, you cover me in all kinds of smoke.
Bro, I could literally.
There's no cops sitting in that spot up there on the left. Maybe I'll wait till right after that. But there's some bright headlights coming too. Dang, nabbit.
I was with you when that happened. I was about to say something about the Razor.
There's that. Alright, let's do like a little second gear. Gotta slow down to where the cops fill up. But she's feeling fun, she's running, she definitely needs the wires and the plugs for sure. For sure. The box would make everything so much better. Get that stuff, but like it's definitely a step in the right direction because I think it's definitely better.